protest was held in Shiggaon town of Haveri district by the farmers union against the state government over the decision to make farmer identification mandatory for purchasing fertilizers. Farmers expressed strong anger, stating that the FID system has created serious difficulties in buying fertilizers needed for their crops. They said that linking fertilizer purchases through FID has made the process inconvenient and time-consuming. According to the protesting farmers, even after standing in queues for the entire day, only around 10 farmers are able to receive fertilizers through the FID system, causing major frustration among the farming community. The farmers demanded that the state government immediately withdraw the mandatory FID rule and restore the earlier system, allowing them to purchase fertilizers without complications. They also want that if the government does not withdraw the FID system, farmers across the region will launch stronger and more intense protest in the coming days. So viewers, will the government address the concerns of farmers and find a solution to ease their difficulties in purchasing fertilizers? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.